edition of Seattle Cold Readers. I am Maddie, your hostess with the mostest. Woo! And I am excited for this show tonight. Let me just tell you what we got in store. We got the first kiss. We've got My Husband is an Android. And we've got something called Sebastopol, in which I get to play a Russian woman. So stay tuned for that. But before I begin, how are you guys doing? I mean, like, how's the month been? I haven't seen some of you guys for over a month. I hope it's all been good. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Very good.
Outstanding. I have been up to no good. The last time you saw me, I was enrolled in school. I was going to become a sex therapist. Remember? Well, I dropped that. That's not happening. School's a little too hard for me. I'm back to dancing. But I'm dancing on a cruise line, Holland America. You know, we come in to port here in Seattle. Works out well. Yeah, I got my chops going. And Cold Readers had me come to the TPS auditions this last week. And I don't know if some of you know about those TPS auditions. It's Theater Puget Sound. And they have all these wonderful actors and singers come and do their talent. And all I can say is, there's a little nepotism going on. There really is, you know? Like, I was watching talent by talent. It's in 3-minute blocks. You know, you get 3 minutes of people and then they're gone. And there were all these wonderful women. They were all just like really very pleasant and blonde and sweet, and they would do their monologue from Shakespeare, and they got cast by Children's Theater. So I want to know about that. You know, like, where's a woman like me? Like, what if I wanted to do Children's Theater? Am I a threat to children? What do you think? I'm not sure. You know, anyway, it was like going through my head. But anyway, you guys should check it out next time you're around. So for this show tonight, I do want to give thanks to our sponsors, our great, wonderful sponsors. We've got Belva's List Forever and Ever helping us. They talk about a lot of wonderful things going on in Seattle. Minuteman Press, which is right here in Belltown. And for writers that are out there, if you need extra copies, they'll give you a discount. So they're right over, just a block away. Check them out. They'll give you a nice cut. And we also have Naomi's voiceover class that's coming up, which is really very cool. So definitely put that on your agenda. And, you know, I'll do my little pitch for Eileen Day, because she's a friend of mine. And she's doing The Artist's Way. And if you guys have never done The Artist's Way, it's an amazing process that helps you reclaim your inner artist. So check that out. The website's in your program. So without further ado, this show is not about me, Maddie. This is about the actors and the writers. So I would love all the actors to come on up and let's hear your voices and hear what you guys got to say. You guys don't make this show without you.